What's up, YouTube? Vengeful Sorrow here once again, and back again with another drinking video. This time, again, Mountain Dew. Once again, I got Subway. Got myself a 2-liter Mountain Dew. Figured whatever I didn't drink, I'll finish for you guys. Get some sweet burps going. Alright, now, here is the unique aspect about this particular Mountain Dew. Since I did my last Mountain Dew video, I actually took a cross-country trip and lived in the mountains for 2 weeks. It's not, I don't want to say in the mountains, but the town that I was staying at, Orem, Utah, is basically on top of a mountain range, over a mile high. So any of the dew that was in the morning was actually Mountain Dew. And it was cool. I saw it, but I didn't taste it. I'm sure it's nowhere near as delicious as this Mountain Dew. But it was just cool that I was able to see that, right? So let's go ahead and you can see it's not like 100% full, but it's not even close to being empty. It's about there. So, whoa, nice and carbonated. I just bought it at the store maybe an hour ago. All right. Woo! Delicious. Oh, all right. There is no better soda on the face of the earth than Mountain Dew. And I will stick by that till the day I die. Oh. There we go. Weak little burp shits, but you know what? Yeah, so here we are. That's about where we're at. Whew. So I'm still playing Destiny. I'm loving it. You know, it's got many battles just like Halo, you know, which is awesome. I already did my first thoughts of it yesterday. But, you know, maybe when I beat it, if there, you know, is an ending, I don't know. But, I'll do like a review, because if you've seen any of my reviews in the past, I don't give scores because games don't deserve scores. But if, whenever I do beat that, you know, that'll be a more in-detailed look at the game. So stay tuned for that. Oh, yeah. Man, it's getting heavy down in my stomach, man. Whew. And that's that. That was the rest of it. Mountain Dew, 2-liter. Probably ended up being like, I don't know, 1.25 liters. It's definitely more than halfway filled. But, yeah, that was that. Thanks for watching. Like I said, stay tuned. Gonna be probably doing like a review of Destiny at some point. because I don't know how long it is or anything. And then, you know, of course, there's going to be other stuff coming out in the future. So, stay tuned, and I will see you next time. Peace.